Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Night because I believe that cryptocurrency is the kryptonite of our current financial system and I absolutely freaking love it. I want to be my own bank. I want to lend out money and make money off my money. I don't want to put my money in a bank account, make nothing, and then they use my money to make money by lending it and investing it. I want to do that myself. So I'm getting crypto, baby. And I do that all the time. I do a lot of farming. I do a lot of lending out. So that way I can make the return that the banks usually make off crypto. And that's why I freaking love it. It's you being able to unbank yourself. And finally, inflation, right? We all know that inflation is happening. There's nothing we can do about it. The purchasing power of your money is declining by the day. It's happening. It will continue to happen, especially when there's no basis for what our currency is being printed around. So, what does that mean for you? It means the purchasing power of your money will continue to decline. So if you have it in a bank account, guess what? Your money, that's essentially your money being in a negative return asset, right? When you buy a new car, the moment you drive it off the lot, it has depreciated in value. You cannot go sell it for the same price. That is happening with your dollar bills if they are just sitting in a bank. You will continue to lose purchasing power over time, which is why I would invest in crypto, I'd invest in stocks, real estate, something that is going to give you a return that's going to beat inflation and hopefully even more than that. So anyway, guys, I love crypto. That is why. So big news today, guys. India is now accepting Bitcoin. They've legalized it. I'm sorry. They're not like El Salvador. It's not their legal currency or accepted as legal currency, but they are making it legal. So we're talking about 1.2 billion people. There is a ton of people in India. Maybe I have that number wrong. I don't know. I just know there's a lot. So all those people have legal access to crypto. Now there is a tax on it, so they are going to be paying about 30%, which is rough. And again, I don't know for sure if that's 30% for everyone, if that's 30% for just the high earners. We all know in the US, if you're a high earner, you're in the higher tax bracket, that's going to up that capital gains tax. So I'm not 100% sure how it's going to be structured in India. But again, the big news is cryptocurrency is legal, and you will see a lot of Indian people investing in it. I even met one today who also invests in crypto and knows a lot of other Indians who are investing in crypto. So this is huge bullish news for the crypto market. Yes, please. That's kind of the major news I wanted to share with you today. And I also want to take a look at the charts. All right, so as you can see, we have been in this downtrend for a while now. This is the daily time frame chart. And, every once in a while we get a little bit of an upswing. We continue down, we go up, we continue down, continuing with this pattern. So we're seeing kind of a similar thing. We saw a dump down to about 32,000. Now we're seeing a little bit of a relief rally. Not super excited about it. However, we did have extreme fear on the Fear Green Index, which is a good time to start buying. And as you can see, we're also forming what's called an ascending triangle. We are getting these continuous touch points here on the top. Sorry, my camera is not wanting to focus very well. There we go. Getting multiple touch points here on the top as well as a trend line here. So that is probably going to break out here very soon. It could break to the downside, could break to the upside. Usually an ascending triangle, more likely to break to the upside, but again, it is in this pattern. So I would not be surprised if it continued the pattern on the way down. So my personal belief is this. We saw this big accumulation down here earlier last year pretty much. I think we're going to see something similar. We had this big dump down. I think we might accumulate down here in this range yet again, maybe testing this support line a few times down, maybe coming all the way down to test 30. I think we're going to accumulate in here again before busting out. So that's just my prediction. No one really knows what's going to happen. So again, buying and hold is the best way to do it. Time in the market is better than timing the market. I know that firsthand. So guys, again, make sure to like and subscribe if you want to get more crypto news, some TA. I want to eventually start showing you different crypto projects that are popping up. Guys, crypto is, you should see the amount of cool projects popping up left and right all the time. It's so cool. There's a few that are scams, not gonna lie, but there are so many cool things in this space. I believe this is the future. So if you think that this is also the future, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. Kryptonite coming at you. Guys, again, save your money, grow your money. Kryptonite out.